Adding a company into Jazoodle is a simplicity itself. To get started, just click Add Connection. Then select your accounting system button that holds your chosen company file and follow the prompts. This will authenticate you and start the import process. Jazoodle then starts building your company dashboard. The import takes less than 60 seconds, and when the import is complete, takes you straight to your new dashboard, financial statements, KPIs, valuation, and you're ready to forecast. There's nothing more to do except starting your analysis and forecasting. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3.